Welcome to the FERNO PRO 28Z Chair Cot training video. This video contains general instructions for the use, operation, and care of the FERNO PRO 28Z Chair Cot. The instructions herein are not all-inclusive. Safe and proper use of this product is solely at the discretion of the user. All safety measures taken by the users should be within and under consideration of applicable regulations and local protocol. Prior to using the Pro 28Z, make sure the FERNO X restraints, mattress, and any accessories are installed according to instructions in the user's manual. The Pro 28Z fastens into the vehicle using the FERNO iNLINE Cot Fastening System, or FERNO Model 173 Cot Fastening System. Before using the cot, ensure the iNLINE system is installed according to user's manual instructions and is ready for use. The two-piece mattress is designed with articulated segments that conform to the chair cot in all positions. Hooks on the underside of each segment anchor it to the chair cot for easier patient transfer. To attach the mattress, align the mattress segments with their matching bed panels. Then, feed the hooks through the bed panel holes. To remove the mattress, slide one hand under the mattress and apply gentle upward pressure as you use your other hand to slide the hooks from the bed panel holes. The undercarriage control handle is located at the control end of the Pro 28Z chair cot at the patient's left side. Squeezing the control handle disengages the undercarriage lock and allows the transport legs to fold and be loaded into the vehicle. Use of the handle is not needed when unloading the Pro 28Z from the vehicle. The chair cot conversion handle is located next to the loading end cross tube at the loading end of the Pro 28Z chair cot. To convert from cot to chair position, exert a little downward pressure on the loading end cross tube to relieve the load on the lock mechanism. Then, squeeze the conversion handle while raising the cross tube until the chair position is achieved. To convert from the chair to a cot position, exert a little upward pressure on the loading end cross tube to relieve the load on the lock mechanism. Then, squeeze the handle while pushing down on the loading end cross tube until the cot position is achieved. To reach the intermediate position, follow either of the previous conversion instructions, but release the handle when you begin to raise or lower the loading end cross tube. The lock will engage when the intermediate position is achieved. An equipment hook is located under the patient backrest. Set the carry handle of the equipment in the holder. Remove the equipment from the holder prior to moving the vehicle. To adjust the backrest, loosen or unbuckle the FERNO X restraints. Support the weight of the backrest and patient and squeeze the red control handle toward the backrest frame to unlock the backrest. Raise or lower the backrest to the desired position and release the control handles. Lastly, adjust and fasten the X restraints. An optional backrest storage pouch can be used to carry small emergency equipment and supplies, or a patient's personal items. The optional Load-end Sto-Net can also be used to store additional equipment. Hook and loop fastening straps attach the optional storage pouch and Sto-Net to the chair cot's backrest and frame. Wheel locks are located on the control end transport wheels. To lock, simply press the lever down. To unlock, press the opposite end of the lever. To lower the sidearms, pull the sidearm release pin and lower the sidearm. To raise, simply lift the sidearm upward until it locks into place. If your Pro 28Z Chair Cot is equipped with SX Surface Xtenders, lift until it locks at the desired position. To lower, lift the SX Surface Extender slightly, squeeze the red release lever, and lower to the desired position. Optional flip-out handles are available for the Pro 28Z Chair Cot. The handles can be attached to the outer frame of the cot. The handles provide additional grasping points for lifting and maneuvering the Pro 28Z Chair Cot. Before adjusting the Pro 28Z Chair Cot to the chair position, fold the control and flip-out handles to their stored position. To unfold, pull the handles to disengage the lock. Then, swing the handle away from the Pro 28Z Chair Cot until it locks in the lifting position. To fold, pull the handle away from its mount to unlock. Then, swing it toward the Pro 28Z mainframe until it locks in the storage position. The lower hard tray is useful for holding sheets and pillows for patient comfort. Note: items on the lower hard tray must be removed prior to loading in an ambulance. A minimum of 2 trained operators is required to use the Pro 28Z Chair Cot. Work together and maintain control of the chair cot at all times, and always use patient restraints. The FERNO X restraint system includes a color-coded set of red, blue, and black restraints. Patient restraints may loosen or tighten when changing from chair to cot position or vice versa. Be sure to loosen the restraints before changing patient position. After moving the patient, adjust the backrest and side arms and fasten and adjust the patient restraints. Make sure the sheets and other articles will not interfere with chair cot operation. Release the wheel locks when you are ready to transport. When transferring a patient to the Pro 28Z Chair Cot in the chair configuration, retract the lift handles and prepare the restraints. The patient restraint system includes a color-coded set of red, blue, and black restraints. Patient restraints may loosen or tighten when changing from chair to cot position, or vice versa. Be sure to loosen the restraints before changing patient position. Make sure the sheets and other articles will not interfere with chair cot operation. If the patient's medical condition or comfort requires, adjust the chair cot to the intermediate position. Release the wheel locks when you're ready to transport. The Pro 28Z Chair Cot can be lowered or collapsed by a single user without a patient. Raise the foot end of the cot until the head end load wheels contact the ground. While applying upward pressure on the cot, squeeze the control handle and lower the cot slowly. To change the position of the Pro 28Z, stand at opposite ends. When lifting at the loading end of the chair cot, lift using the cross tube, not the patient backrest. Use an underhand grip and lift the weight off the ground before squeezing the control handle and lowering the chair cot. When raising, do not lift using the control handle. Simply lift the chair cot until the undercarriage unfolds completely and all 4 wheels are off the ground. Carefully set the chair cot down and verify the undercarriage has locked into the new position before releasing your grasp on the frame. To load the Pro 28Z Chair Cot, place it in the cot position. Align it parallel to the vehicle sidewalls while centering it to the inline Cot Fastening System. Raise the vehicle bumper if present, and push the chair cot into the vehicle until the loading wheels are on the floor and the undercarriage contacts the vehicle bumper. Lift the Pro 28Z until the transport wheels are off the ground. Then, squeeze the control handle and push the chair cot completely into the mount. The undercarriage will fold as the chair cot is pushed into the vehicle. Secure the unit into the mount and lower the bumper. To unload the Pro 28Z Chair Cot, raise the vehicle bumper if present. Release the chair cot from the inline cot fastening system by pushing the red release button on the fastener. Then, pull the Pro 28Z out of the vehicle without touching the control handle. Keep it level with the vehicle floor as you pull it out. Make sure the loading wheels remain on the vehicle floor and let the legs fully extend. When the legs have fully extended, lower the control end of the chair cot until all 4 transport wheels are on the ground. It's now safe to roll the Pro 28Z away from the vehicle. When cleaning and disinfecting the Pro 28Z chair cot, follow the cleaner and disinfectant manufacturer's instructions. Remove the patient restraints, pad, and any accessories, and wipe all surfaces with disinfectant. When cleaning the chair cot, hand clean all surfaces with warm water and a mild detergent. Rinse with warm, clear water and allow it to air dry. Thank you for learning about the FERNO Pro 28Z chair cot. If you have additional questions, see the user's manual or give us a call at 877-733-0911.